Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a pair of earbuds from Tribit. These are the Tribit OpenGo True Wireless Earbuds with a 13-hour playtime plus another 91 hours with the charging case. They are IPX5 sweatproof. The box has a nice design, classical to Tribit logo on the top. On the side right here we have some specs. So Tribit app, 13 hours playtime, AI noise reduction, IPX5 sweatproof, stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.3, and on the back we have some manufacturer information. So let's go ahead and open the box. I am going to show you guys what you get inside the box. After that we are going to put it to the test. I'm going to show you guys how it sounds like and how easy it is to pair it with your phone. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. You can use this to charge the charging case, which is this one right here. We have a user manual right here with pictures. It will tell you what everything does, where is the microphone, what's the charging case, touch button. They have touch buttons on each headphone, so you can do some volume up, volume down, skip track, answer phone calls, stuff like that. And yeah, you can give this a read to help you get set up quicker, and it will also be nice to know what the earbuds can do. So this is the case. It's a sleek looking case. It looks nice. It's a bit on the big side, but these are open ear earbuds, so that's why it's a bit bigger. We have a USB Type-C port right here used for charging. This will charge the case. To open it, all you have to do is lift this up. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. When you open, it's gonna make a sound like pairing, for example, it just did now. This is how the earbuds look. If you take one now, by the way, it's magnetic, so it will always pop in there in the right spot. Both of them are, and it will always start charging with these contact pins right here. They also have the same contact pins on the case, so that's used for charging. They're marked with left and right. This is the left one. They're pretty lightweight. They're actually very lightweight. They're more lightweight than most in-ear earbuds I tested. I'm sure they will be very comfortable. And yeah, for something this lightweight with a 13-hour battery inside of them, it's really amazing. This is how both of them look like. This is the right one. It has the R on the back of the earbud right here. I think the ear hooks are adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your ear. It's also very flexible, so I'm sure it will fit most of the people. And yeah, pretty much that's what you get inside the box. So let's go ahead now and pair it. Maybe I'll give you guys a sound test. You guys can get an idea of how they sound. I already tested them on. They sound very good. I never had open ear earbuds before, but it's something new. They fit really well, so especially if you're running, if you're going gym, whatever, you don't have to worry about them falling. So yeah, let's go ahead and pair it and maybe play some royalty-free music. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so pairing was fairly easy. All you had to do is just open the case, tap the left one once right here, and it will say pairing. And then you open your phone, go to your Bluetooth settings, and you should find there Tribit OpenGo. All you have to do is just click on it. It will prompt notification box saying if you want to pair, press yes, and that's it. You only have to do that once and you will always be paired. Very simple to use. They look and they feel amazing. I love the look of them. If we go to YouTube right now and we play some royalty-free music, they're pretty loud for some earbuds that do not go in your ear, so it will not actually do a lot of damage to your ear if you play it loud like this. And yeah, pretty much that's it. They are a great alternative to earbuds, especially if you're doing sports, if you're on the go all the time, if you are running, gym, whatever you're doing. Open earbuds, they're really the way to go. They won't fall off your ear, they fit in really nice. If you guys want to buy them, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.